Hi, in this video we're going to talk about how to render your RBD emitter. So let's first open our example file, the sample 71, the RBD emitter with agents. And this is the file we created in the last video. If you want to know how we can create it, please refer to the previous one. And let's first place our agent and run the simulation. You can see that our RBD emitter will hit the agent and hit that down with a little bit force field, the push force, just like that. And before rendering, we needed to make the cache for both the agent and the RBD emitter, because the RBD emitters cannot be repeated in the simulation due to the physics engine, the characteristics. So we needed to make the cache for both of them at the same time. So here in the cache tool, we needed to specify the information of the agent cache. When we make the agent cache, the RBD emitter cache will be automatically created if that is inside of the scene. So here we needed to specify a directory exists inside here, and I click the make agent cache. Also, we just needed to make the agent cache for 100 frames. So you need to confirm this frame range and then click the make agent cache. You can see that everything is cool. And let's enable agent cache. And you can see that everything can be played back interactively, including the RBD emitter. So for rendering the RBD emitter, you need to bake the RBD emitter into the real geometry. So you can see that each one of the RBD emitter is actually the same size. So we can use the instancing technique of the Maya itself. Here, let's create the real arrow here in the origin. So let's create a polygon cylinder here. It's very thin and just like this. And let's make some sculpt and height, and sculpt this a little bit. And click F8 and select the point. And move this up. Here. This is the arrow, and this place, I'm sorry, I need to increase the size a little bit. Something like this, and that makes this thinner. Okay, and the top view. Okay, like this. That's cool. And what I'm gonna do is pretty simply select the RBD emitter and then select this guy. We needed to see that here in the box size is Y is up. The Y is point towards. So this guy is Y point up. And we needed to set back to 0, select the RBD emitter, and then this arrow object, and making sure you already place your agents and your RBD emitter is moving inside of your scene. And then click this the physics, the RBD emitter agent, the bake RBD emitter. So you can see that the confirmation window has been prompted out, and you can see that there's some of the information. We recommend you save your scene before continue, because if your scene contained a very huge number of the RBD emitter, it may cause your memory consumption very high. It will cause your Maya crash. So you need to save your scene for making the security of this file. So this file is very light. We can continue. And the instancing and bake, everything is correct. And you can see that if we just select the RBD emitter and delete it, you can see that this RBD emitter has been baked to the real Maya geometry. You can see that This is a real Maya geometry, but this geometry is actually the instance of this guy. So you can just tweak the size, of the position, and the shape of that continually. This is they actually Maya instance object. So that is cool. And with this, the baked it, you can render that directly with all of the renderer as you wish. And plus the method we previously introduction of how to render your agent, you can render the scene. So we can skip the how to render your agent because we already introduced it. So this is an introduction for how to debug and render your RBD emitter. Thank you for watching. See you next time.